Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong rest of the rest of February. So, let's see, ano bang meron. Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga private readings. So, kung gusto mo magka-private read and kung may mga tanong ka pagdating sa ating mga charms, so yes, just message me sa akin pong FB page, no? Yung legit FB page natin is merong blue badge. Okay, meron siyang blue na check sa tabi ng pangalan. Okay, so yeah. Our cord cutting necklace. Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet with citrine. Okay, mga charms po yan ha. Aking pinapakita. So, yung ating granter necklace. Granter. So, nag-grant siya ng mga wishes. Okay. Yung ating mga evil eye protections. Yan. Adjustable po ang ring. And yung ating mga, yung kaninang smoke na nakikita nyo, I'm cleansing. So, yung cleansing kit natin, yan, available lagi yan. And yung ating, ating healing oil, okay, para sa mga masakit sa katawan mo, para maalis, mawala kahit konti. And sa mga hirap matulog, yan, sa may mga mutya, pwede rin ito, no? Okay, and yung mga nahirapan nga matulog and laging masakit ang ulo, yan, or nahihilo, yan. And yung ating charm spray, yan, 2-in-1, love and money po, no, yung pwede nating attract by using this. Okay, so, kung may mga tanong pa, mag-message na lang po, no? Okay, Cancer. Let's see. The rest of February, anong meron for you, Cancerians? Distance. So, you and your partner may be physically or emotionally distant. That's specific. Nagigising yung aming cat. Next. Sexuality. Someone is still figuring themselves out. That's interesting. What else? Mercury retrograde. Electronic issues, communication issues, review everything. Okay. So, distance, sexuality, Mercury retrograde. So, I think may mga, sabihin nating parang meron pang aaralin or parang meron pang mga bagong uusbong na pagbabago pagdating sa sarili mo in general. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, mafo-focus kayo sa, sabihin nating mga bagong energy, new stuff. Okay? So, na may chance na pwedeng magbigay ng, sabihin nating delays. Okay? Kasi nandyan yung energy ng urong-sulong. Okay? Meron din dito hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Makikita mo lang sa kanila is medyo maglalaylo. May pagdistansya. Makikita nyo sa mga kilos. Okay? Na there's something wrong or may, sabihin natin may issue. Makikita nyo sa kilos. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing travels bago mag-end ang Feb. Intuition. The red flags you ignored now will come back to bite later. That's right. So, don't ignore your intuition. Okay? May mga sinasabi sa iyo, intuition mo, wag mong baliwalain. Kasi kung binabaliwala ang intuition, may chance talaga na, in the end, nandoon yung mga, sana pala ganito, sana pala ganyan, regrets. Okay? They'll be back. expect to hear from them soon. Some of you, I'm hearing a same gender partnership na pwedeng in no contact. May chance na you'll hear from them bago mag-end ang Feb. Caution. Find out more information. Don't overwork yourself. Okay. Iba rito, andyan yung pagod physically. Okay, may chance na medyo mag-a-absent. Yan. Ayaw natin yan. Kasi nga, i-avoid natin, no? Ma-avoid naman natin kung kayo yung parang, sabihin nating malilimitahan mo yung pagod na ibibigay sa'yo. In general po. Okay? So, some of you, if your person, this is specific, if your person is acting distant, there's something wrong. Lalo na kung kayo is through communication lang naman, no? Like, sa communication lang, I mean, sa online lang kayo nag-communicate, no physical na pagsasama, and then suddenly, bigla siyang naging distant or cold, there's something wrong. Follow your intuition kung ano man yung ibinubulong sa'yo. Okay? Follow your intuition. So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. The person on your mind, Cancer, who is this? The person on your mind. The person on your mind, Cancer. Who are they? Anong energy niya? Situation muna. Okay. The situation you're in. The Emperor. The Nine of Wands. Hindi mo mapababa, no, sa trono. Itong taong to. Andun yung pride, andun yung ego. Some of them, they're trying to hold back. Okay, they're silent. They're hiding from you maybe or avoiding you. Yun ang nakuha ko from them. Pwedeng kayo is-separated. We have your lovers in reverse. And ayaw mo yung ganito. Kasi hindi mo kaya. Yung pagiging strong niya, I think, or independent niya. Pagiging independent. Some of you kasi andun tayo sa soft side. Yeah, not for all, pero anong kailangan mong malaman ngayon sa kanya? King of Wands in reverse. The Four of Coins. So, some of them, meron namang soft spot for you. They're just manipulating yung kung ano mong meron sa situation ninyo. They're holding back. Okay, they're holding back pero they don't know how to manage their emotion. Madalas ito ay moody. Madalas sila is nagagalit. Some of them. Okay? And sa mga action, no, nila sa inyo, kung hindi nga sila re-reach out or sumasagot, andun rin yung chance na nangihinayang sila. Ano kaya mangyayari kung hindi ko sasagutin or hindi ko kakausapin si Cancer, baka mamaya ganito, ganyan. Hindi sila nakakapag-isip ng tama. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah, hindi rin ito makakapag-desisyon. Ang yung gabay ko sa inyo, mga Cancerian, wag nyo munang tawag dito, guluhin ko sakali man itong taong to. Okay? Settle the dust first. Okay? So, ayaan yung kumalma yung situation. Okay? Let's see. Ayaw ko na emosyon. Kasi kita ko naman na parang there's something pa rin naman. No? Hindi yan maguguluhan ng walang emosyon. Pabayaan ka lang yan. Naguguluhan siya sa situation ninyo sa ngayon. So, what is your next action? What is your next action? The Star in reverse. Wala gano. Yeah, and the Two of Coins. They're juggling. So, nandun yung energy ng delays. Okay? Nandun yung energy ng delay. pagdating sa pakikipag-ayos kung sakali man, yeah. Ano yung energy na nagiging practical lang din yung person, they're trying to hold back. May mga sabihin nating dahilan rin. Hindi ko alam kung yung mga dahilan na yun is tumatama ba or tama ba. Okay? Self-centered siya ngayon. Yeah, self-centered. The pride, the ego. Ano advice for you, Cancer? Aside dun sa sinabi ko kanina na huwag nyo munang pilitin or if ever. No? Queen of Cups. Three of Coins in reverse. So, set aside your emotion. Kahit ano, or sabihin nating lahat ng ginagawa mo is epekto yan ng kung anong emosyon mo sa situation. Okay, kumalma ka muna. Hinga. Yes, hinga para makapag-isip. Okay? And then kapag kalmado ka na, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, pag kalmado ka na, doon ka makakapag-isip ng tama. Kasi kung galit ka, malungkot ka, andun lahat ng sabihin nating negative din pagdating sa action. Okay? Ayaw natin na parang nagiging needy tayo or begging. 'Di ba? Doon papasok kapag yung emotion mo is like sad, longing for the person. Ganun ang magiging epekto pagdating sa action mo. Maghahabol ka. No? So, bago ka gumawa ng decision muna, kalmahin mo muna yung sarili mo, Cancer. Set aside your emotion first. Okay? Huwag mo munang masyadong bigyang pansin yung kung anong nararamdaman mo sa kanya, sa situation. Okay? Huwag kayong gagawa ng kahit anong action out of your emotions. Mahirap na. Minsan, may mga maling action dahil emosyon ang sinunod, emosyon ang inuna. Minsan, yung mga maling yun, hindi na rin naibabalik, hindi na rin naitatama. Okay? Mas lalong lumalala. Mas lalong hindi nagiging okay. So, mas makakapag-isip ka kung ikaw ay nasa, sabihin nating relax na, nakakahinga ka na ng ayos, 'di ba? Mga ganyan. Hindi ka stress. Yeah. So let's see all signs. All signs Cancer, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancerian. Okay, Aries. So some of you, this is sex-based connection. Excuse me. So, on off. Taurus, they want another chance. They want with you. Gemini, they're mirroring you. Cancer, this is a flirt. This is a cheater. So, Leo, they want communication with you. They want something like forward movement. So, Virgo, they're thinking of you, like day and night. Okay, pasensya na po sa ingay. So, Libra, okay, so some of them focusing on their career, wealth. Okay, focusing like self-centered muna siya ngayon. Yeah. Scorpio, okay, unfulfilled wish. So, Sagittarius, they want communication, consistent communication. So, Capricorn, they're being selfish right now. Or I think maybe they're putting healthy boundaries. So, Aquarius, okay, so si Aqua, parang gusto niya na magkaroon kayo ng iisang goal, iisang mindset, iisang plano, para may mag-build, para may mabuild, para may mabuo. Kasi kung hindi kayo pareho, walang mangyayari. So, Pisces, they're watching you. Some of them, they want to communicate. They want to send you a message. So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.